Hey guys, it's me, Olivia, and my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're gonna be doing fidget trading. So first, let's go ahead and look at each other's inventories. So here's my dad's inventory, and here comes my inventory. So guys, this is actually fake fidget trading. So my fidgets in my inventory are actually my inventory, and then my dad's inventory is actually my fidgets. He doesn't have any fidgets, but that's okay, you know. But this is not real fidget trading; it's fake. But let's get started. All right, go. Trade a fidget from your inventory.
All right. Well, I would like to offer this ball.
Okay. I'll offer this. The purple
Oh,
one.
accept.
Okay. Here you go.
Easy squeezy peasy.
Yeah. Okay. Next round. Trading simple dimple. Going once, going twice, 3 times, or 4 times. Add.
Add. What can I add? Crab. Add. What else can I add? This guy.
Okay, I'll accept.
All right.
Yeah. I got a crab puppet. Let's go. Okay, your turn, Dad. Your turn.
Let's see. What will you give me for? Whoa.
I'll trade these 3 poppets. This like stress ball thing, this DIY. This like stress ball. And this like space dimple.
Accept. It's time to hear something. Oh, what happened?
Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. It like something happened to it. Okay. Here you go.
I don't think it's recording. It's not recording, dude.
So cool. No, X recorder's recording. You see that? X recorder is.
Oh.
Alright, so you go now. Wait,
Cool.
You already went. I do.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Trading poppet ball, going once, going twice.
Ooh.
3 times.
That one.
I decline.
Ah. My turn?
Yeah.
Trading this thing. It's really cool.
It's a, what is it called?
Oh. All those colors dripping down.
Like a water timer. It's called a water timer.
Oh.
I'll offer a tangle.
Add.
A DNA ball.
Accept.
Okay.
Sweet.
Too.
Oh.
This is so cool. Look, guys.
Yeah,
It's so satisfying also. Do you know all these things in here that's going down is actually oil? Look at my dad's face. This is oil coming all down. It's like colored oil.
Oh, I thought these would connect together.
Lots of water fidgets you have.
Mm-hmm.
Can you like trade like about like 2 fidgets or something?
Mm-hmm.
Can I trade?
Is it my turn?
Like, yeah, it's your turn, right?
All right. I will trade 2 at a time. Oops, I don't want to break it.
I think it was my turn because you traded
Oh,
this.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure I want this anymore.
What?
Because it's like too
Just give away all these things for it.
Go back. Okay.
Why does it do that?
I don't know. It's just taking up too much space. So I'm going to trade it. Trading giant milkshake poppet. Going once,
Oh, I know
going
why.
twice. And 3 times.
I know why it does that.
Why?
Because when you're not actually recording anything, it just times out.
Oh.
Because you have an extra recorder on
Meh, whatever.
instead of actual recording.
Trading milkshake poppet. Going once,
How
going
about
twice.
this? And this guy.
Add.
Yeah. How about this guy?
Add more.
Ooh. How about see an egg ball?
Add one of your tangles.
Oh. Alright.
I'll accept.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know if I can pop all these.
Guys, listen to this. It has a weird sound. That's weird.
Should I mess with this guy who's trying to scam me?
He's trying to scam you?
Wow, that's unfortunate.
We'll be right back after all this happens. And we are back from all that stuff. Okay. Now. Dad?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So I just traded something. That's your turn. So you can go ahead and trade.
All right. I'm going to trade.
He loves the stress balls, by the way. He loves them. Oh,
what was that?
What is that? Oh,
What was that?
it was a picture.
Did it
But
take a
no,
picture?
whatever. I'm not trying to.
All right, this one.
He likes the stress balls a lot. Anyway,
I'm very stressed. Going once. Going twice.
I'll trade this butterfly puppet, and it changes in the sunlight. Changes color in the sunlight.
Add.
I'll trade this shaggy needle.
Add.
I'll trade this pink tangle.
Add.
Bro, what? This is like a scam or something. If you tell me to add one more time, I'm gonna decline.
Accept.
I decline.
How can you decline? I already accepted it.
Nope. I decline.
This is my favorite, though. This is my favorite right here. Angel, I don't
And
have
this is
any.
Angel, our doggy.
Hi, Angel.
Hi, Angel.
Watch this.
Angel, say hi to the jaguars. Angel, say hi to my fans. Angel, Becky. Hi. Oh, hello. He's a really sweet doggy. Oh, are you whacking me with your tail?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look, say hi to the jaguars. Say hi.
Oh, you want to trade
Hi,
too?
guys.
There you go.
I'm
She wants to trade.
Angel. Oh, you're so cute. Oh.
She wants to trade.
Angel, what are you gonna trade for? She's trading her golf ball for her tennis ball. Hey, don't eat my hair. Oh.
Oh, what happened?
Anyways. I think Angel wants to trade her tennis ball for these two stress balls. And she declines. Angel, go.
Please give me kisses.
Okay, moving on. Okay, no, I declined. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So now it is my turn to trade something. Hi,
Okay.
Angel. Okay, I'm trading Infinity Cube. Going once, going twice, going 3 times.
That guy.
Add.
That guy.
I'm looking at it.
Oh, no. That's
If you,
not gonna happen.
I'll
How about this?
accept that. Remove these 2 and I'll accept.
All right. Accept. All
Here you
right.
go.
QB ball.
Fun fact, or that's not really fun. I got this puppet from school. So yeah, it's like a astronaut space sparkly puppet. So yeah, I got this from school. Yeah. Okay. Now, I traded something. Now it's your turn.
Oh. What will you offer me for? You're declining already? How about, what will you offer me for this guy?
Ooh, okay, I'll accept. I'll trade, not this guy, right. I'll trade this, and
Seriously.
I'll trade this, and, this dimple.
It's like the mile-long trading. Oh, yes. Accept.
Okay, here you go. You have a lot of fidgets.
I do. I do have a lot of fidgets. Ha 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 ha.
2 more rounds, and then we will end the video.
Okay.
Because it's getting pretty long. How long is it?
A long time.
Oh, it's 11.
11 minutes.
Yeah.
Yikes. That's a long time.
If you made it this far, go ahead and comment.
Beep popper. Beep popper.
Comment.
Beep popper.
Go ahead. If you made it this far, go ahead and comment fidgets. If you made it this far.
Alright, it's my turn or your turn?
It's my
It's like my
turn.
favorite one. Oh, I'm getting old. Oh, my leg. Oh, my leg.
I'll trade this. Going once, going twice, going 3 times.
I'll give you this little thingy for it.
Add,
Give you this little thingy for it.
add,
I'll give you this little thingy for it.
add.
I'll give you this thingy for it. You do not want that, do you?
Because it takes too much space.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
If you add this, then I'll accept.
Well, that's too much.
If you add this, then I'll accept.
Yeah, I know you will, but I'm not adding that. Oh.
Fine.
Boom.
Hey. Guess I got some more fidgets. 2 puppets. Really cool.
Can you hear that?
Now it's your turn. And then after the fidget
All right.
trade,
I was
I'm gonna end the
wondering what
video.
you would give me for this.
Okay. I think
It better be
I
good.
really want this so badly. This is like my second favorite fidget out of all my collection. I'll trade this, and this guy.
Add.
What? Bro! This is a tiny thing. And that... Good offer, right? For this. Right?
I really want that.
What? This guy?
This one.
Oh, okay.
No. Plus all that. Add,
What?
add.
Pop a ball in that.
How about the orange one?
The orange?
How about the dinosaur? Accept. Yay!
Let's go. I got the magnets. Yay! Okay, now that is it for the trading. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Look at all my pigeons. Okay, sorry.
If you want another video of these, fidget trading with my dad, just comment down below. Fidgets as many. Just comment down below if you want more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh.
Is that how you always do your videos?
No.